Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am doing this voiceover in the bed. It is 5:20 in the morning and I am officially psycho. So in today's video I have my lovely god sister, my baby sis Monica, coming in for a haircut. Um, I'm going to be using the Late Hair products as well that were sent to me. So shout out to Kayla, the CEO of Late Hair Care. She is a young multimillionaire and her brand is across CVS, Walmart, Target, a lot of big retailers. So shout out to you, girl. I am here for the Black Girl Magic and I am definitely here to support. Her products are bomb.com. She sent me a shampoo, a conditioner, a heat protectant, as well as a stimulating scalp oil. So you guys saw me use the products for the first time on Justice, but honestly since then I've been using them on all of like my friends slash family that's been coming in, and I really love her products and I love the way that they smell. Nothing super harsh. So again, major shout out to you, girl, because y'all know if I don't like something, I'm not going to use it, especially in my family. So this is like a top tier compliment. Keep it up, Kayla, and I'm so proud of you. From one black girl to another. So here I am. My sis decided to come visit me because she needs a haircut. She does not come to me on a regular, to be completely honest, y'all. Life's just been lifing. She actually goes to a lady that we used to go to church with. And she gets her hair pressed by her and colored and everything. But Monica said that she just noticed over time, she had color for a while, but I think this last color she got had some highlights in it. And ever since then, she said she noticed that her curl pattern has not been the same. And she just wants like a fresh start because she does like to wash her hair. And she likes to wear wash and goes. And she just doesn't like the fact that now when she goes to wear wash and goes, her curls are not consistent. So we are here today just to press her out, and I'm going to try to cut off as much damage as I can but still leave her a nice amount of hair because, you know, that's baby sis and I want to make sure she's out here looking right. And I told her little bald head self to make sure that when she wants to get color again, she better come to me and stop playing. I'm like, girl, I'm your sister, like, stop playing with me, like, you already know I'm the best, girl. So anyway, back to the video. So I'm just going in. You guys know I like to do 3 shampoos, so I'm just doing 3 shampoos with the Late Hair Care shampoo, and then I'm going to do a deep condition with the steam, and then after that all we're going to do is just press her hair out. I am using the Laid leave-in as well, not the leave-in, the Laid heat protectant as well when I press her. But I don't think I showed that part on camera, but just know that I use the full product line, only Laid hair products in Monica's hair, with the subtraction, of course, of my edge control, which is Even New York, and then my finishing spray, which is the BioSilk Natural Hold. But other than that, everything else was straight from the Late Hair Care line. So we went ahead and just gave her a nice thorough shampoo. I didn't show the whole video, obviously, because it's boring. But just know I did that, and then I'm just going in with this Eco Head shower head. Y'all know I'm obsessed with it, and it's love. So here you just see me brushing out Monica's hair, and I'm just kind of letting the curls do what they do, trying to just get a visual for what I really need to go in and cut. So as you can see on the right side of her head, she has a lot of these long straggly pieces that are either heat damaged and color damaged or just color damaged. I'm not sure. Monica does press her hair out quite often, but she's had color in between as well. So we do see some inconsistencies with her hair. So all I did was just kind of give her a mini consult and just let her know, like, hey, clearly you can see the right side of your hair is a lot more straight than the left side. There are some straight pieces on the left as well, but just not as much as the right. So I'm not sure if that's like maybe where the application started first or if she just applies more heat. Again, not really here to criticize or anything. I'm just here to help, to be honest. But from a stylist point of view, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at, just so you guys know, like, okay, this is why she's doing what she's doing. So Monica's hair is really soft. It's kind of fine. It's not super thick, so it doesn't take me long to blow dry her out. I honestly can get away with just blow drying her without the round brush, but because I knew I was pressing her, I did opt to round brush her still. But just know that sometimes with textures you don't have to go in so much. It just really depends on the client and like what you're working with. But for video purposes and just to get her a nice clean end result, I definitely did round brush her, but honestly it wasn't needed. I could have got the same results without the round brush, to be completely honest. So just blowing her out. And then once we're done blowing her out, we are going to just take a look at her hair overall once we're done pressing it, and then go from there. So again, just showing you guys another section. You can see how it's more tightly curled in the center, and then on the right side it's looser, and then on the left it gets a little looser as well. So she has quite a few different patterns in her hair, again, just from the color, the pressing, and then a lot of times we do have several different patterns in her hair as well, but clearly those bone straight pieces that you guys see on the right are heat damaged, okay? So, or damage from color or prior services. So the goal here is to get off as much of that as possible, and then just transition her out to where her hair is nice and healthy and curly, but also still leaving her enough length so that way she can style it and finesse it as needed, okay? So again, even though she's my little sis, of course she trusts me, I don't really have to do all that, but I do this for everybody. I'm a creature of habit, and I just don't like cutting somebody's hair without letting them know like what my game plan is first. It just creates a little bit more comfort and ease throughout the whole process. So again, just taking that time to explain like, hey, this is what I see, this is what I recommend. And of course Monica's like, do whatever, but I would do the same thing if this was a regular client too. So now that she's all blown out, I'm just showing a little portion of the round brush, and then as you can see the ends where it gets lighter and brighter, we do have some breakage and some split ends, which is to be expected. And so now we're just going to go in. Like I told you guys, I did put the heat protectant in her hair from Late Hair Care, but I don't believe I showed that part on camera. My bad, but just know I did use it. So now I'm just going to go in with my custom flat irons, and I'm just going to press out Monica's entire head. Once I'm done, I'm just going to put in a center part, nothing too crazy. And then from there, we're going to do her cut, and then just give her like a nice little bend on the end. Nothing super crazy. Again, the main focus for this visit was just the haircut. And then the styling was just like, you know, we're just going to do something really, really simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Okay, so so enjoy me pressing out my baby sis, and I will be back shortly.
Sure, Charlie Brown. I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please. They were sore afraid, and the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you tidings of great joy.
Okay, so now that's done. I'm just going in with my Kendra's Boutique hot comb and just hitting her edges, just because they're really small and curly, and I just want to make sure I get all of those as well. And then I'm just going in here, putting in her center part. It probably took me 20 billion tries to get this part. Y'all know I suck at parting. It's literally my kryptonite. Like, if somebody were to hold a gun to my head and tell me to do a straight part, it's over for your girl, okay? So I have this huge mirror in front of us, and I just like to put my clients in the mirror and then part them while they look at me, so we can both make sure that it's straight. And again, she has like a, not a widow's peak, but like kind of like a cowlick in her hair, I'll say. So like one side is a little bit more raised than the other. And then here you see me using the Lay Hair Care again. And I'm just going in with that heat protectant, applying that all over her hair just to add a little bit of shine and get rid of some of that frizz. And then I'm just going to comb everything down, and then we're going to spin her around and kind of see what we need to trim. So in the middle, you guys see where it's shorter. We're going to start at the shortest point, and then I'm just going to work my way up from that point, okay? So the easiest way I can tell you guys how to cut hair is to create a guideline, and you want to follow the client's natural shape of the hair. I'm not one of those hairstylists that likes to cut straight across. I am a firm believer of just customizing the cut based off of how your client's hair is shaped and how it grows out, just to maximize length retention and also not to like give them a heart attack. So for all my members, you guys know how I cut hair at this point. I've shown you guys several times, but for the non-members, I like to go in, create my guideline, and this is what I call my rough cut. Meaning that if I know I want to take the hair up to the shoulders or a little bit higher, I will cut a little bit less and then work my way up to where I actually want to cut the hair. The reason why I do this is because it makes it a lot easier to go in and correct anything versus starting off at my shortest point, and then if there's something I need to correct, you don't want to have to take it too short. So I'd rather cut off a little bit less hair than I need, create a pretty nice guideline, go in and correct, and then refine that guideline. And then from there, I really just get into the cut with the precision and just make sure everything is nice and even. Now Monica and I are talking. Clearly you see she's moving her hair back and forth, but that's not going to influence the haircut at all, because one thing about me, honey, I have 3 kids. And when I first came out of hair school, I only worked with kids in the beginning, so I'm really good at cutting hair and doing hair while my client's moving. Don't ask me how, but it always comes out straight. So as you can see here, like we're talking, we're chit-chatting, but you see I'm just going in and refining the cut, and then when she gets done, it's going to be super even. So once I got that guideline in, I just like to check everything, go in and literally clean up any pieces that are not in place. I like a very, very nice and crisp cut, a nice crisp line. And then I am going to take the hair out at a 90-degree angle, which you see here. And now I'm just taking out all of the split ends and the dead hair on the inside. And then, like I said, after this, we're just going to comb everything down, and then we're just going to bevel her hair on the end. Nothing super crazy. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of the method to my madness. I don't really show my full haircuts on here unless they're for my members. But I think it's important for people to know that you do want to definitely cut that guideline first, get that in there. But I do see a lot of hairstylists where they only cut the perimeter and they don't pull the hair out like I'm doing now. And that is a no-no. You do want to make sure that you are cutting all of the hair. You don't want it just to look good at the bottoms. You want it to look good and full in the center as well. So we are done. As you can see, Monica's cut is nice and even though my sis was moving her hair back and forth. Look at that. Look at that precision, y'all. Like, don't play with her, okay? So now I'm just gonna go in and bevel her hair on the ends, and I was just kind of explaining to her like what I did. I was letting her know like, hey, it was shorter on the side, so I just went in and blended as best as I could. And I think this is a great start for her to start to wear her hair curly again until it starts to grow out, and then we can transition it every 3 to 4 months. Just go in and trim a little bit off, so that way we'll do that until it gets nice and healthy. So I'm just going in again with my custom flat irons, which you can purchase at CassandraOlivia.com, or you can just check my website to book with me. I am located in Delaware, in Newcastle, Delaware to be specific, and I service clients from all over, Jersey, Philly, Maryland. Clients be flying in, like they really love me, and I love you guys equally as much. So I'm very thankful. I saw the meme the other day, and it just really touched my soul. It said, I have clients who don't bicker about the price, and period. Because my clients, not only do they pay, but they be tipping, and they show up and show out, honey. A lot of my clients that come, they come one time and we stuck, like we locked in. So here I am, Monica and I just having a good time. Clearly I need to refocus, but yeah, she is all done here. I'm just cleaning and refining everything, and then I'm just gonna have her stand and show her the cut and all of that, and she is good to go. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know how you like this video. She had this one piece that wanted to like flip up on the side. One thing about me, I'm not gonna fight with her hair. I'm not gonna fight with her hair. I'm gonna let it do what it wants. But yeah. So I'm just adding a little bit of that even New York edge control, and like I said, that oh my god, that bio silk natural hold, just to make sure everything is nice and uniform. And all she's gonna have to do is wrap her hair when she goes home, and she'll be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I don't sound too manly because it's early, but if not, oh well, y'all. But thank you for watching, and I cannot wait. I have a hair color client coming in, my baby Amanda. If y'all don't remember Amanda, she came and got that gorgeous copper orange color that I did like 3-4 years ago, and she's been coming to me ever since. I call her my cousin. It's like an inside joke that we have, but she's coming in today for her session 2 for her blonde, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to post her, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.